Hello students, today we are going to write how to write a notice. We know that we can write letters in formal way and informal way. So, if you take notice, it is formal writing. Why do we write notice? Before that, I want to tell you, this is O-level question paper, question number 8, based on notes and notices. So, today we are learning about notice. Why do we write notice? We write notices to convince the people about an event. Who is writing notices? Normally we know that notices are written by high authorities like principals, managers, secretaries, like that, to inform about an event to the particular audience or target group. So, we can write notices. Normally we know that notice is displayed on a notice board. When we are writing notices, notice consists these things. First thing is event. Second one is date, time, place, if not venue. Next is purpose. If they have mentioned the purpose, we have to write the purpose. After that, we have to write date of the notice. Date of the notice means the notice has written the date notice has written. After that, we have to mention authorized signature. Authorized signature means who has written that notice. Now, let's see the format of a notice. This is the format. First, we should write an event. Here we should write an event. After that will be here blank. Here you have to write here past participle verb. Here you have to write here past participle verb. Next on here you have to write the date, and here time, at time. Next is here at place, at place. Shall we see how to write a notice? Already you know that in our school we have started an English club. Now we should inform the students about our English club and the value of speaking in English. So, look at this. The English club in your school has organized a meeting to make aware of students the value of speaking in English. So, you have to write a notice informing about the meeting. Inform the following: purpose of the meeting, date, time, and venue, and participant. Now, what is the purpose of this meeting? To keep this meeting? To make aware of the students the value of speaking in English. Now, shall we write a notice? Okay. Notice, you have to write the topic. Notice, a meeting of English speaking club, this is the event, will be held, this is the past participle verb, this is the date, on Monday, 27th August 2020 at here time 1:30 p.m. Here, this is the place, in the main hall. Now, already we have written event, time and date. Now, next, shall we write the purpose? The purpose of this meeting is to make aware of students the value of speaking English. This is the purpose of this meeting. Next, to whom you are going to invite? We are going to invite all the students are invited to be present. You have to write here passive sentence. All the students are invited to be present. Okay? Now, when we have written, what is the date that we have written this notice? 5th, 8th, 2020. Who has written this? Namal, the secretary of English club. I think now you have got the idea how to write a notice. Now we'll see. This is another way that we can write a notice. If we write like this, we can get the attraction from the reader. This is the same notice that we have written like earlier. If we write like this, we can get the attraction from the reader. Look at this. Notice, a meeting of English speaking club will be held on Monday, 27th August 2020 at 1:30 p.m. at the main hall. The purpose is to make aware of students the value of speaking English. All the students are invited. This is the date that we have written the notice. This is who has written this? Namal, the secretary of English club. This is another way that you can write a notice. If you write like this, you can get the attraction from the reader. Okay. Now you have to write the answer for this question. The environment club in your school has organized a lecture to introduce the 3 R's. 3 R's means reduce, reuse and recycle. Write a notice informing about the lecture. Inform the following: purpose of the lecture, date, time, venue means place, and participant. Now purpose is here. What is the purpose? You have to select the purpose. To introduce lecture to introduce the 3 R's. That is the purpose. You have to imagine the date, time and place and the participant and write a notice. Okay, thank you.